Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the update of Asas Ground at Choli Chowki, Samta Colony, which is very near to 7 Road. This is the project. This road leads straight to the Choli Chowki, and there you go with the 7 main entrance gate. That's the main entrance. Let's get on to the project. Now here we have got the commercial side at the ground floor. These are the two shops, the prospective place to open up with a large scale showroom, and this would be the pedestrian or the two-wheeler entrance from this side. Now we have entered into the building. The staircase, similar kind of our other projects, we have got two landings. We are getting on to the first unit of the next level. The first landing I showed you, this is the second landing, and we enter into the lobby. So this unit comes with the double entrance. This is the entrance for the main hall, and this would be the guest entrance. Similar to it, the guest entrance and the main entrance. Super ventilated. We are entering from the Ghar Wala entrance, not the Mehman Wala entrance. Probably we would get out from the Mehman Wala entrance. Let's get on to the unit. Hall, a large window, the outdoor view to this window, pretty much green, isn't it? And the moment you get into the hall, you have this room which has got one more window. This room looks pretty much spacious. This could be somewhere around 15 feet kind of thing, and it will look much bigger once the whitewash and all the other cosmetic stuff is done. One of my friend has commented that look at the beautiful arch here. So I would always say that it's a beautiful. I personally love it. Here you go with the attached bath. Oh, sorry, it's a common bath. And we enter here. We have got one more common area. Probably you could have some shoe racks built in this place. And here it is, the first bedroom, which is master again, the attached bath, the window at the right hand side, and the balcony. I seriously fall in love with this outdoor views of this project. Look at the amount of greenery you have in this project. It's full of green. If I could show you, that's the Golconda Fort. That one. Yeah. That's the Golconda Fort. We are shooting this from the balcony of one of the units. And you look at this, I'm sure you would love it. You would love it. I have fallen in love with this outdoor views. The world comes to this place, ladies and gentlemen, to have a look at this place. This is the outdoor view from the balcony. Okay, let's get on to the job. So this is the balcony, 3 feet by probably 11 to 12 feet. And you're going to have full size sliding door at this place. So this would be one of the most beautiful master bedroom that has got overhead storage, and probably this could be the ideal place to build built-in cupboard. And again we enter into the hall. This is second bedroom. Again is the second bedroom, again with an attached bath. Even this bedroom has got a very beautiful outdoor view. It has got a window on the balcony, but even from the balcony, since it is on the main road facing, you will have the similar kind of outdoor views. Basically, when you look at something green, technically you get fresh. This water, the boys are doing waterproofing so that the owners doesn't have any issue later on. Again, the overhead storage, and this would be the ideal place for the built-in cupboard. We come out of the second bedroom. This is the third bedroom, and then we enter into the kitchen. RCC slab, which will be cladded with the granite stone at the top, and the wall will be finished with the tiles, verified tiles. And this is the wash basin area, and you have the ventilation in the wash basin. And this would be the storage area. Basically, if some of the people who knows certain points of our nanis and dadis, they used to call it as Modi Khana or something like that. My grandma used to say that. Modi Khana, basically, this would be the latest, the 20th century Modi Khana, and that basically term was used for storage of food stuff. And here we come out from the kitchen, and this is the entire house. And here we are heading to the hall, pretty much spacious hall. You can have a TV lounge here and the dining area. Since you have got a separate room for the guest, this is the guest room. Even the guest room will have a window for the natural light. This is the window for the guest room. Again, you look at the view. Beautiful, isn't it? And this is the guest entrance, and we are going to exit from the guest entrance. So this is the flat number 1, and this is going to be the flat number 2. Now let me take you a quick recap. We have entered from the main entrance, and then we have seen this first room, which is at the right hand side, pretty much spacious large room. And then you've got attached bath, a master bedroom with beautiful outdoor view, the second master bedroom with yet again a beautiful outdoor view, the kitchen. Okay, so 3 rooms, hall and plus drawing room. And there we come out of this place, and right diagonally opposite will be the second unit. So that is going to be 101, and this is going to be 102. This is the elevator, which will comfortably have 6 people capacity, and the staircase, which is circulating the elevator. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and have a nice and wonderful day. Yes, nice, wonderful, green, healthy and wealthy day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.